Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today meron na naman akong model kit from Caesar Plastic Model Company, and I bought it from mechplayer.ph, and this is Mandala. Ayan, so another third-party company na nag-release na naman ng mga mukhang Gundam na Mecha. And ayan, dumadami na talaga itong mga ganitong company, and still I enjoy buying this kind of kits because kahit pa paano deviation natin sa Gundam, and then I enjoy ko na rin actually even the band and other Chinese stuff. So another brand new kit for this year, April 2025, and we will build it ngayong Holy Week. So let's check this kit out, this Mandala here, and let's see what this kit has to offer. Fangen wir an, los geht's. Mandala. Ganda ng pangalan niya actually. It sounds like yung artwork na Mandala. And kinukulayan yun sa pagkakaalam ko. And it sounds like Nepalese also, the term Mandala. And yep, this is 1/100 scale kit. As you can see here, 1/100 scale from Caesar Model Kit Company, and another Chinese third-party kit. Okay, so the box here is very parang okay lang naman. It looks like a Gundam, pero hindi siya Gundam. And the box is dilapidated due to shipping process and packaging na rin siguro. Pero okay lang. Not that critical in the box. Okay, in the side of the box here, we can see the front view, which is very nice. I really like the appearance of this. Even the color. Hindi siya yung traditional white color. It's like grayish with purplish kind of shade like that. So marami siyang missile hatches dito. Suppose this will be your missile hatches, ganyan. And my first encounter with the Chinese model with pilot figure. See, there's a pilot figure now. Before wala tong mga ganito. And meron tayong makikitang mga Chinese and English translation na mga warnings, and yes, you can scan this. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dyan mamaya. Okay, and there, ito yung may effect parts na parang missile launching effect parts, which is for me somehow good if malaki yung space mo. Pero kung kung kagaya ko na nakikita nyo yung mga Gundam ko dyan sa labas, ayan, ayoko nang gawin tong mga missile hatches na to. Maybe I will tago ko na lang yung effect parts kasi sobrang magtatakaw sa space yan. Then ayan, much better yung may beam saber siya. Ang ganda kulay yellow, clear yellow. May action-based stand, and yep, inner frame is plastic. So at first akala ko bakal yung inner frame nito, pero yep, this is plastic as per mech player, kaya ako binili. Okay, let's open the box here. So if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual. So instruction manual niya gumagaya sa P-Banday, medyo grayish yung galing. And then we can see here installation manual, 1/100 scale from Caesar Plastic Model. Punyetang mga motor, maingay. So ayan, meron tayong English translation per Chinese text here. Okay. Then mga straightforward lang din naman ito. The usual building process, parang ganyan. So it's black and white, ganyan. Okay. So, puro siya black and white. Wala tayong colored print na makikita. And that's it. Okay. So, let's check the packs here. So, we got gray parts and mga manipulators. I will not use that because I will I use the Dowling decals hand. Okay, so yun lang. Medyo tedious job to do ito pag-cut na itong mga napakaliliit na missile mortar heads or missile heads. Okay. Then the effect parts. Yes, this is the effect parts, pero shit, ayoko siyang ikabit actually. Maganda kung malaki ang space, pero as of the moment, natago ko na lang muna to. Ayoko munang gamitin dahil maraming space mako-consume ito. Okay. So we got here gray parts. Okay, action-based parts yan. Tapos, ang ganda. Gusto ko yung color na to. Parang brown. Parang purplish brown. Or maroonish color. Ang ganda. Unique. Then, we got here gray parts for the inner frame. Okay. Ito, maroonish color plastic parts. Hatches, ang galing oh, may individual hatches, which is very nice. Then we got action base stand. Then there are gray parts for the inner frame parts. Okay. Then we got here ito medyo kakaiba yung kulay, parang mocha colored plastic instead of white or gray. And ito yung mga hatches niya. Okay, looks good. Looks nice actually. Then we got this gray parts again for inner frame parts. And finally, we got here mocha colored parts. And shoot, ang dami oh. Ito yung yung mga missile body. Yan, dami niya oh. So, okay. Sobrang dami. Nakatamad gupitin. I guess hindi ko gagamitin ito kasi nga yung head lang naman ng missile yung ikakabit dun sa mga missile vents, which is ito. Then if you're going to do the launch sequence, ikakabit mo naman to. So, very tedious to do. Diba? And we got water slide decals here. Yes, water slide decals. Okay, so always let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. And judging the quality of plastic here, it's like your typical Bandai model kit, and yung mga naglalabasan na rin na third party kit, ganun yung quality ng plastic niya. So it's different from Daban also sa mga bootleg, but yes, it has similarity yung texture and feels like the SNAA and yung mga in-era model kits. Ayan. So yun yung plastic quality niya. So I might recommend this. Okay, so this is your runner E gray parts. So these are all the manipulators, the hands. Okay, we got here another gray parts, runner A for the inner frame, and we got two of these sets. Okay, runner A. Then we got here this maroonish colored runner L. And yan, gusto ko lang pakita to, Mandala, nakasulat siya. Yan, Mandala. Okay, runner L. So gray parts again here. We got runner R, and this is for the action base stand. And we got runner C here for the inner frame parts. Then we got here runner D, inner frame parts again. Then we got this yellow colored runners for runner G, for this one for the accents, the kit. And we got this very tedious job to cut here, runner F. So be careful with this, you might lose this missile heads here, so be careful when cutting this. Okay, runner F, red parts. Then we got this maroonish colored runner again, runner M for the missile hatches. Then we got runner H here. This mocha colored runners. Yep, this for the head. Runner H. Then gray parts again for the inner frame. We got runner B. 2 sets of runner B. And finally, we got here 2 sets of this is runner K. Yes, runner K, runner N, and finally runner J. We got 2 sets of runner J with the tedious missile body parts. Mushkil. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this unboxing of Caesar plastic model kit from China, Chinese third party, and this is your Mandala. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying, God bless, take care, and good night. Masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat. Auf Wiedersehen, sayonara, adios, see you next time.